Go.
Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a racing bike check on my Powerlite P19's Falcon. But I'm just going to start from the front here. The front I have the Supermoto number plate. This is number 700, that's just my temporary number. So I put a piece of paper on that just said 700. But, alright, so, and behind those I have the Powerlite Power Bend bars. They have this bend right here. I think they're awesome, comfortable. Running the Colt Vans grips. I like them. I just got them because I could. And then I have two different bar ends. I got a Colt one over here. On the other side I just got like a plain weird one. Brake lever, an Avid single digit 7 brake lever. It's really nice. If you want a nice feeling brake lever, get the Avid. I love it. I don't know what type of brake cable that is, but it works pretty well. I have like a stock Powerlite stem. It's nice, works good, holds tight. I have some Powerlite headset spacers. I think they're aluminum. I have an A headset, stock. It's kind of beat up, so is the whole bike, but it's old. I'm running some Powerlite chromoly forks. They are actually fairly light. I have Shadow Conspiracy axle nuts in the front. I had them, and they were really light, and they matched the rims. But I have an Amber Rain front rim and hub. I have a Cinema valve cap right there. It's really nice, lightweight. I have a Tioga Power Band front tire. If you want a good tire setup, get a Power Band front and a Power Block rear. It's awesome. I have the ultralight tubes. Okay, moving back. I'm running some Odyssey pedals. I don't really like them too much, but I don't have enough money to get new ones, so just living with it. Amber Zephyr 3-piece crank, really nice. Stolen Class 25 sprocket, stolen ring or whatever. I just have a normal KMC chain. Got it because it was cheap. Oh, and an Amber American to mid bottom bracket. It's quite amazing, so I love it. My seat, Tioga D-Spider S-Spec. It's lighter. I love it. It's just lightweight and sexy as hell. I have a cut down Poverty post. You can't really see it, but it's cut down and it's lightweight. And I have a Powerlite seat clamp.
It's upside down.
It works nice. I don't care if it's upside down. It works. Okay, so I'm running the stock Tektro brakes, and I just have a little red cable end over here. It's the only color I had, so I just put it on. Back tire, Tioga Power Block, greatest back tire ever. I have the back Amber Rain wheel. Here's a little hub sound. But yeah, there you go for hub sound. Another Cinema valve cap, another Dan's Comp ultralight tube. And that's pretty much my bike. It's a nice racing bike. It's not the lightest it can be, but it's lightweight, and I am looking forward to getting some new parts here in the future. But I love the bike and it works nice, so thank you for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment, whatever, but have a nice day.